Hacerzade İbrahim Bey Mosque Malkara. It is located next to Hüseyin Köse Primary School, opposite the Gendarmerie Company Command on 14 Kasım Street. It was built by Hacerzade İbrahim Bey in 1406. The architect of the building is unknown. The mosque suffered great damage in the Balkan War and earthquakes. Later, it was restored and brought very close to its former state, and opened for worship on October 15, 1971. It gives the impression that it is a beautiful historical monument with its external appearance. The building was built entirely of smooth-cut stone, and with the use of marble material on its facade, in a single-domed masjid plan. Source: taken from the official website of Malkara Municipality.